Oh, okay. This one we just hammer A really fast. That's all we do.
Oh, okay. Who's on my team? Zothos? Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, what do we gotta do? Just hammer
Yeah,
it?
hit A as fast as you can.
I was good at button mashing, so this is bad. Okay. What do you say, Zarthos? What happened? Balls go up. Stop it.
What was hitting the button?
I think that was big.
So my technique to button mashing. My technique to button mashing is I just get the controller and I slam it in my nose. It's way faster than me hitting with my fingers.
Wait, with your nose?
That's why I can hear you breathing.
Wait, so you hit it with your nose?
Yeah, I go like, I like peck it, dude.
Oh my god.
I'm fucking crying.
Zarthos, I'm glad you were able to power through that though. Because I've done that before to Al, and he's just like, I've beaten him because he's laughing so hard.